Hello my friends, my name is Dr. Siddharth Gaur and I welcome you back to my channel, Ideas to Serve. Friends, in my previous video, I talked to you about the importance of habits, the science behind habits, and the habit loop and the three parts that make up any habit, which are the cue, the behavior or the routine, and the reward. Today, I'm going to talk to you about the golden rule of changing any habit. Remember friends, it is not possible to break free from a habit. As I mentioned in my previous video, even if you use all the willpower that you have in the world, you might be able to stop the urge or craving for a particular habit for a couple of days. But then eventually, your habit will overpower you and you'll get back to repeating the same thing. But what you can do is to change the habit. And the way to do that is fairly simple. You need to identify the old cue, which is actually causing or triggering an old behavior or routine and giving you an old reward. Then you need to identify a new behavior or routine that corresponds to the old cue and the old reward and incorporate it into your lives. And let me explain this via an example of the author Charles Duhigg himself. Charles, when he was writing the book, The Power of Habits, he used to go to the cafeteria every day to eat a cookie. Now he wanted to break free from this habit of eating a cookie every day. In fact, he had put a post-it note on his laptop screen that do not eat a cookie today. But he used to just ignore that and eat a cookie. So what he started doing in order to change this habit is he started doing experimentation every day. He first wanted to identify the cue that was causing him to do this behavior or routine of eating the cookie. So he took the 5 parameters, which are time of the day, presence of certain people, an emotion, place, or a specific particular behavior that has become ritualized, and trying to identify what is the cue that is triggering this action. So he realized that it was time of the day. Every day between 3:15 and 3:45 p.m. is when he used to go to eat the cookie. Now the cue was fairly simple to identify. Then he started thinking, how can he identify the reward? What is the reward in eating a cookie? Was it that he was feeling hungry and it basically helped him to satisfy his hunger? Or was it that he wanted a break from his work and that's an excuse for him to go upstairs and have the cookie in the cafeteria? Or was it the burst of sugar that he got because he needed energy to do work? So every day, Charles did one thing differently to identify the reward. So one particular day, he ate an apple instead of the cookie to see if satisfying his hunger was the reward that he was looking for. Another day, he took a cup of coffee instead of the cookie to see if getting a burst of sugar in his blood was important to boost his energy. Another day, he just went out for a walk downstairs to see if taking a break was the reward. But then over the course of a week, he realized that the reward was the urge to be social. What used to happen is whenever he used to go to the cafeteria between 3:15 to 3:45 p.m., he used to usually meet up with some of his friends and they used to chit-chat. That was his reward. So now when he realized what the cue was, which was a particular time of the day between 3:15 and 3:45 p.m., realized what the reward was, that is the need to be social, to chit-chat with his friends, instead of doing the behavior or the routine of going to the cafeteria and eating a cookie, he just simply used to get up between 3:15 and 3:45, find his nearest friend in the office and just go and gossip with him, chit-chat with him. And trust me, within a week's time, he got rid of his habit of eating the cookie. So friends, it's my humble request to all of you that do not come under the grip of your habits. You should be the one controlling your habits and not the other way around. Start using the techniques that I mentioned in this video series in your day-to-day life, especially to change your bad habits. And I'm sure that you will see how your life changes for the best. Please do not forget to like and share my video. Until my next video series, take care of yourselves and your loved ones, and I'll see you soon. Bye.